my name is April. I study analysis for the today we were gonna present about tadpoles. Present about froglets. Froglets are especially in ponds. We went out to see froglets and algae. So this part of the pond will be called as algae. It's green in color and they are plants which grow in water.
And so what is the bee gonna do?
The bee will stop and will come to the flower, suck nectar.
Very good.
And on its legs it will be pollen.
It will carry the pollen.
Dolphins communicate in sound waves inside the water with the other dolphins. In today's class, we made a Lego farm. Hello, my name is Vaishnavi and I'm from year 3. Today in our STEM class, we learned about the 4 types of stimulating mixtures. First, flotation, liquidation, hand-picking and random extraction. The hand-picking is example, you need to separate raw mango and rotten mango objects out like this.
Completely.
When there's a dirty river and you need to pick up some plastics off it, you do like this. It's going up like this. So string stuck like that. So good. The string is still stuck.
Yes. Yes, Khyati, you have the name.
Are taking over, right?
This is the elbow over here, and here we are having the shoulders over here.
Hello everyone. Today in STEM class we did car reverse parking.
When the car gets near the wall, the transmitter sends sound waves, and when it reflects, the receiver receives it, and then it will send a message to sensor base, and the sensor base will make the buzzer buzz. My name is Rit, and we have made a project called Smart House. If you put your hand in front, or if anybody will come into the house, it will sense them.
Good morning everyone. We made a heartbeat robot.
The heart rate sound is there. When we put our hand on the chest, we can feel a sound. So what is that sound actually?
The sound is the valves which are opening and the valves which are closing.
Do you understand from this? Can you show us how this is working?
Today we have made a project called Automated Plant Watering System.
Out of the pipe as plants do not need water in the night. But when I remove my hand, it detects the time of the day as morning. So
In year 6 STEM, we have done about the earth and space. So we have done the score 0.01 seconds and done 1.5 degrees. This is the program. So now we can see that the earth is orbiting on its own and the Mars is orbiting the earth. There are still 8 more planets, we'll be making it. Thank you.
Today we have made a project about gravity.
Gravity is the force that pulls us all to the
core of the earth.
And we've used a controller, a motor, and an axle. This axle is to push the wheel off.
So now this is a motor which is going to be spinning at 100 miles per hour.
Today we've learned about distance measuring tools. We see them everywhere in real life. Like in malls, when we see the automated door opening.
So when an object gets close to the optical sensor, it's when the
Good morning, my name is Aida and I'll explain about lever. The lever is a simple machine made out of the rigid beam and the fulcrum. So the fulcrum goes in the middle. And this is the coding we have done for it to work. At first, final value, I need to convert centimeter into meter. So